Okay, so I'm going to model for you how to do the See, Think, Wonder chart. So we're using the piece Emma, which you all have. You just have to open up Schoology, um, and you'll have access to it. And I wanted to look at this piece because it's interesting and fun, and I think we can all relate to some aspect of it. So if you read it, it talks about Imani going through and trying to come up with a name for her baby girl. So when I first looked at this, I saw that Emma was written big, like Emma's the title, right? So we have Emma as the title. But this made me wonder, who is Emma, right? I don't know who Emma is. And then if you come down to it, it says, because nobody ever met a white girl named Amani, and as soon as they see my name on a resume or college application, they think they know exactly what kind of girl they are getting. So I really want to know, like, what does she think that means? So that makes me wonder, like, what Amani has experienced, um, excuse my typing, throughout her life, right? And it makes me think, like, do we really judge people? Oh, that's not how you spell judge. Judge people based on their names, right? So I have that question when I'm going through this. And then, the other thing that it made me think of is, Amani kind of talks about the harsh sound of her name versus the soft sound of Emma. Like, does name sound really matter? Um, do we take that into account? The other thing that I see that I think is very interesting is that there's a flower above the name Emma, right? So when we are doing this, this is kind of what we go through is the process for a See, Think, Wonder chart. We're reading the text. I'm not going to read it to you. You've already read it. So I'm just pulling out some of the things that I see and that I am thinking and that I'm wondering about. Something else that I am wondering about was right here. Anyhow, Tyrone was late to the day I filled out the birth certificate, so Emma was. Like, I wonder how Tyrone felt about that. I know I wouldn't be too thrilled if someone had named my daughter without me being there. Um, And I also want to pull your attention to this last sentence. I know a name alone can't guarantee new opportunities, but at the very least, it will give her a chance to get in the room to let other people realize she's someone they want to learn more about. That does a lot for me. So, what I see is a sentence that's carrying a lot of big thoughts. So, I see. Um, this concept of a phrase. I know a name alone can't guarantee new opportunities, but at the very least, it will give her a chance to get in the room. So she's chunking down like what this name can do. So by using the punctuation, it's breaking down the thoughts of what a name can do, right? And it makes me really think about um, like, can a name do all the things mentioned, right? Can a name do that? And then what it really makes me wonder is, you know, how do we make all things equal if a name does all these things? So this is just a quick and kind of dirty way to do a See, Think, Wonder chart. So if you missed class, this is what we did in class. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.